Hey guys, it's been a while, and what you just heard was me playing around with my brand new toy, my DE1-SoC multi-effects pedal. And if you have this board and the right cables, you can play with this too. To use this, you're going to need the following. First is a DE1-SoC board with the power and the USB blaster cable to program and run the board. Then, next up, what you need are two aux cables and 1/4 inch to auxiliary adapter like this, so you can plug it into the guitar. And then you're going to need an output device of some sort, like a pair of headphones or a speaker, and a guitar of your choice. I like the Yamaha RevStar. Once you have all that set up, you're ready to use the board. So, the first thing you need to do is program the board with Cordis Prime. And then after that, you need to click key 0 here to reset it, which is this bottom one. And once that's done, you're gonna prepare the cable that goes to the guitar, which is, you get one of the aux cables and you connect the 1/4 inch adapter here. And then you plug that into the line in input, which is this blue one. And then to that, you plug in the output device, which is where you get your next auxiliary cord, and then you plug it into line out, which is the green one. And then you connect that to your output device like a pair of headphones. And once you plug in the guitar, you're ready to play. I'm not going to go deep into how this works at all, but if you guys are interested, feel free to check out the GitHub repo, which also has all the instructions I just outlined. Now that we know how to set up the board, we can now adjust its parameters. So it's built such that when the audio goes in through here, it gets processed with the following signal chain, which is shown on the left. Now, we can edit the various parameters of the various effects through these various switches and buttons here. What you need to know is that these LEDs here that shows this right now F0 and P0, they show which effects number and parameter is currently selected. You can look at the README in the GitHub repo for more detailed information, but for now, this is selected the first effect at FX0 with its first parameter, P0. For the current parameter's value, you could see with this light bar here, this is actually a range of values, with it being all the way to the left, which is one LED being 0, and as you increase its value, it goes up and up and up. Its value range is from 0 to 255. These two leftmost buttons that I've been pressing increase and decrease the value accordingly. So, see, I'm clicking this button here, it will decrease it. I click the right one, it increases the value. So these top 4 switches select which parameter, which effects, that we are currently selected. It displays it in hex over here. And for the parameter, there could be various effects, like let's just say a gate can have a threshold, attack, and release. So to select that, what we could do is that we can flip these bottom 3 switches here. Not the very last one, but these ones right in front of it. These select which parameter is there. Now, if we want to mute the output, what we could do this. Switch all the way to the right, we flip it up, it becomes muted. You can notice by the line there. And that's all there is to controlling this thing. And that's it. Thank you for watching the video. I know I haven't posted recently, and that's because I'm very busy with school. But I do have some stuff in the works, so please look out for that. If you want to hear my music, be sure to check out the rest of my channel where I post remixes, covers, and occasionally original tracks. And if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, share, and do all that stuff. And yeah, that's all. I'll see you again sometime.